when I get it. When I pump it, when I pump it. When I get it, when I get it. When I pump it, when I pump it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Brrr. Stop shorting Bitcoin. Stop shorting Bitcoin. Stop being fools. Stop shorting Bitcoin. You got smashed. Yo, that was a pump and a half. Yo, I'm so hot. Taking off the tie, finally. Long day of work. I'm done. Taking off the tie. Taking off the shirt. Taking off the neck. Get it off. Get it off. You know what it's like after a long day of work. Taking off the vest. That's it. I didn't think I was going to go live right now. I thought I was going to call it a day. But you know what? Enough is enough. Don't even have the wife beater on. I thought I did. I can't go shirtless. I was gonna rip the shirt off real quick. Striptease real fast. No. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. We got the Labradorite. The Labradorite gave me the intuition. I'm telling you right now. I do feel one thing about it, but check this out. Check this out. I want to show you guys something right now. If you're in my trading group, check it out. I'm sitting there at 9:33. Of course, look at, no lie, 9:33 p.m. Look at that, 9:33 p.m. Double click this. We're going to watch this video for a second. I do a video update for my team, and I start with this video update. All right, check it. We're going to go through a Bitcoin update real quick, show you what I see happening here. Is a little more pump, and then another drop down again. And it looks like we're going to go sideways possibly for 1 or 2 more days, you know? We stay in positive moments. So I'm saying sideways, and then I'm like, but let me look at the 15, right? And I finally see the 15, and I see this cup and handle. I see this cup and a handle in my mind, you know? Sabby, cup and addy to the upside, you know? But look, is this a possible cup and handle? It is possible, right? So I'm sitting there, I'm like, is this a possible cup and handle? 50 minutes spent, and we're actually at resistance. Also, I'll teach you, everyone else teaches the cup and handle. They tell you to make a line here at the top of the cup and make a straight line, and then that's your entry. I find wick to wick. Nobody taught me that. I do it on my own. Watch this. at support. Resistance, resistance. We're bouncing on support. Be beautiful if this thing could make a move. Wick to wick. This would be the measured move if it did. Wick to wick. Nothing's guaranteed, but I've seen the 15-minute do crazy things before for Bitcoin. So, and bam, that'll put us back to 41K. Is that going to happen? I don't know. Nothing's guaranteed, but it could. 4 hours just breaching and could have more momentum. 1 hour could flip because of how low the 15-minute is, and this could start a big trend to the upside. So there's a chance. Bam. Chance. You see a big move out of Bitcoin here. Boom, yo. Look at that. I mean, within 10 minutes from that call, within 10 minutes from me clearly explaining that, and within 10 minutes, bam, hits my measured move, nails it. Like, this is one of the most prolific calls ever made. Like, I've never seen anything like this. Like, this is absolutely insane. Like, insane. Let's get the trap beats going, baby. Let's get it booming. But this is insane. Like, so Bitcoin pumps to the upside. Absolutely crazy. All the way to the target there. Insanity. Insanity. Let's take a look at what I see happening for Bitcoin maybe later on tonight and into tomorrow morning. Someone said, is this time to short now? So funny. So funny. Let's take a look at what we see happening for BTC, because it looks like we didn't even breach, though. Like, as great as this was, like, I don't know if we breached. You see what I'm saying? Which broke trend line, you know? Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Okay, yeah, that is a breach, finally. Look, we cracked it. We finally cracked the triangle. Ascending triangle. And now this could be a fake out, for sure. And they could bring us right back in and dump it. I will tell you this. What made another reason why I decided that there was a high probability to long Bitcoin here is due to how many people were over leveraged on the trade, right? Remember, if I look up high block here, right? And I got this high block right here. And I've been showing this for the last few days. These are all the shorts all the way up at the top here, right? These are all the shorts way up at the top. And every one of these people, they shorted here, they shorted, and they all put stops around here. They shorted the top there, they shorted all these places. And these are, the market maker was like, oh, I can just go grab all that liquidity up there? Oh, I'm going to eat y'all alive. And so it was highly likely the market maker was going to come up here and eat all that liquidity for sure. And what did he do? Brrr, thank you. He ate the liquidity up. He ate it all up to the upside. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So you get shredded when you short the market. And Whalebot wrecked. Go to Whalebot wrecked and you can see how many people just got liquidated. It was hilarious. I don't know why I find it funny, but I always do. Look, liquidated short on ETH, $500,000 banged out. He had to buy that to get out of the short. Look, a sold short liquidated, right? ETH shorts, look at Bitcoin shorts liquidated 41.7, $285,000. Another one, $279,000 short, 181,000, $250,000 short. Liquidated. Binance, FTX, BitMEX, bang, bang, bang. Bye, Felicia. Shout out to all the lovers of life. Shout out to all my crypto lifers. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for jumping on in and being a part of the crypto life. Thank you for being a part of my life. Thank you for jumping on in with me. If you're with me, I am a crypto trader. I trade every single day. I go live 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday through Friday, and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. And I even do a monthly, at the end of the month, I do a monthly live stream, an extra monthly live stream at night too as well. Sometimes the monthly and the weekly fall together. That happened one time. But if it doesn't, I do an extra live stream. That's an amazing 32 live streams a month. And on top of that, each of them are 2 hours long, 60 hours of live streaming every single month. And I go live when I see crazy moves happen like this. What do I see happening right now? Well, the 4 hours getting overbought for sure. We did break out. Now we're looking for the retest of the top trend line. Hands down. 1 hour's just getting started though. So the 1 hour says, yo, I'm ready. I'm getting ready to pump. So the 1 hour says that I ain't done yet, baby. I ain't done yet. You know, possibly we hit here or hit here. Says we can get all the way to 45K possibly, or to 42,900. Both of those are two resistance points that I'll be watching. Highly likely the 1 hour gets us up there, just getting started. However, the 15-minute ripped, absolutely ripped. It's going to have to cool off. So what do I do is I make a flag here. The 21-day moving average will have to come and interact with the price action. It's going to happen. We can go flat or we can make a wedge. We're not sure exactly what it's going to do, but something like this is brewing for this to come on up. And we could even get a retest. I've seen that. We could even just dump all the way down and bounce here. However, I'm going to let this come down here. That's my next entry. If you miss this big pump, this would be my next entry here, and I would ride this. I would get in when this 15-minute came low, and I would ride the 1 hour to the upside. However, the daily still in our favor, just getting the cross. I talked about this even yesterday. If you watch my channel, I made this assume that we would pump to the upside here at 53,000 is the measured move out of this target. The daily looked very, very beautiful. I posted this as well to the trading group. So I've been going over these ideas over and over again. Bang, 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 bang. Unreal. I still can't believe this. I really can't, because I posted it a minute later, a huge candle in literally 5 minutes, $1,000 candle for Bitcoin. That sounds like the news from the Fed got leaked. I think Fed news was leaked. And I'll tell you right now, I can tell you right now to everybody's face, I know what's going to happen with the Fed because I've done the research. They raise the interest rates. They're going to crash the stock market to zero. Nobody has any savings. Everyone, all the retail investors are in the stock market. They're going to ruin the entire American population. They will. They're going to decimate it. Because if the stock market goes down, before the stock market was like a lot of investors, and then you had a lot of people with savings. Like my dad, he put his money in the savings account and what's called a CD. Back then, you could earn 10% on a CD, 12%. You could put 100 grand in the bank and make 10 grand a year off of it. My dad did that over and over again. He made hundreds of thousands of dollars on CDs over time, compounding, compounding, compounding. That was the only financial advice my dad gave me. Buy some CDs. He didn't know anything else, you know? Bank debt, baby. And so I looked at my dad. I was like, that's it? Like, that's all you got for me? You know what I'm saying? So remember, everyone, I didn't come from a financial learned household. My dad was good with money. He knew how to save his money, and he was disciplined with his money. He taught me that. That was good enough to get me going. But he didn't teach me how to grow the money. He didn't teach me how to find another way to keep the money pumping. I didn't understand these concepts until I went on my own and figured it out. Shout out to the super chat. Shout out to everyone jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Unbelievable. Thank you for jumping on in with me in this impromptu screen share. Unbelievable. 1 out of 2 work case. You and my crypto daddy. That's right, baby. Bend over. I'm just messing with you. It's so stupid. Grace Protocol agreed. Not trying to imply anything funny, though. Top TA channel lifer. We nailed it. Thanks for the stream. Shout out to Produce the Beats in the house. My man, Produce the Beats. I love you, bro. Working hard, man. Yo, I'm telling you right now. No, let me just, like, you want to see it? Look, I could Google this dude in my trading group. See how much he's putting in that work, bro. He's putting in work. Do you know what putting in work is? It means grinding every single day until you win, baby. Until you get it. Until you get it. So now we got updated liquidity levels. Let's take a look at High Block and the updated liquidity levels. We got some people who long. Now we got some liquidity down here, but there's still chunks up here. They're going to want to eat first up here. It's way thicker. There's way more liquidity up here. They're going to eat up in here. And they're going to come on and dip again, but it looks like they're going to continue to eat. There's way too much food up there. They're going to continue to eat. Anchor realized I wasn't on KuCoin chart. Same idea. Test subject. Yeah, it's all good. Shout out to my man Stack Me Change, and shout out to my man Danny Senor. I don't get to spend as much time in the learning library as others because I'm just my time is spending grinding into the charts. But look at Danny. Look at Danny right here. He posted this cup and handle very similar to me. Right here, look. He nailed it. Cup and handle here. Measured move up there. My man with the crystals. My man Danny. Look at that. 15 could curve the hourly here. 4-hour momentum still has potential too. Dude, this is like, I don't know if you knew this stuff before I taught it to you, but this is like, I mean, when I hear people say my exact language, like that's you know, I watched the 4-hour has momentum, 15 could flip. Yo, me and Zacula were about to leave work, and we sent it and nailed it, dude. That's insane, dude. Unbelievable. See? This trading group is butter salt, baby. You ever put butter salt on something? You can eat it all day long. Butter and salt will make you eat anything. Buy Bitcoin, it's going hard. Andrew Fitzsimmons, BTC dumping. I love this guy. Can you do ACH, please? I'm new to the channel. Alchemy Pay right now while Bitcoin's pumping. You want Alchemy Pay? All right. All right. If you're new to the channel, we'll hook you up. EGLD pumping too as well, getting it in. Yo, the market maker literally ate every high leverage short. Oh, yeah. Yeah. He nailed him. Nailed him. Strong on the daily. My man Beats. Look at my man Beats just getting it in. Look at Beats. Got the wedge for you on Strong. Had this on XMR. He even showed you that, he showed the daily pump, and I was like, is that real? That really just happened? JSMY for the 31% pump to the upside. Bang. Bang. My team is strong, baby. Binance wins crypto license from Dubai. I mean, they're going to take over the world. JSMY hits the measured move. Tokyo USD has potential setup. We have so many coins we're looking at. Z-Coin, you name it. And I'm not even going to, you're going to have to join the trading group if you want these gems, baby. Because I hit wave big today. Thanks, my man. Shout out to Andrew Sulo for the $4.99. Hitting waves big, my baby. Banging on them. What's the name of that shorts heat map? Where can you get it? High Block. HYBLOK. High Block. And it's a paid subscription service. Jump on into High Block. I may not have spelled it right. Google it. You'll find it. You'll figure it out. High Block. You have a unique way of looking at things. I never thought of looking at the market maker as a cookie monster. Eat it up. Oh, he eats it up all day long. Waves still crashing on him. Banging on him, right? Waves still, I love how you said that. Waves still crashing on him. Well, Waves is going to move with that move, right? Look at Waves at 30 now. Strong. And I said this was the trade of the day, did I not? I called this the trade of the day on the live stream earlier today. Free information. Who's given free information that makes you money every single day? Not many people. Not many channels even have the ability to do it because they just don't have the drive. I'm telling you right now, I push as hard as I can every single day from the morning to the night. Can you believe it's 11 at night? I just took my tie off for the first time today. I'm still ready to go. You don't want to see me in a dark alley, baby, because I'll keep coming. I'm not going to stop. You mess with me, you mess with my family, you mess with any one of my lifers. It's going to be the worst thing you ever did in your life. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Lifer, would you rather have 4,000 AVIX or one Bitcoin? One Bitcoin all day long. One Bitcoin all day long, any day of the week. Because you know what? Anything could happen to AVAX. AVAX could do a phantom. One day we could just say, oh, Andre Kanje left, and that's not happening to Bitcoin. Nobody's leaving Bitcoin. Nobody works for Bitcoin and deciding to leave. No one's doing a phantom Andre Kanje. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my phantom holders who kept it real. I did not sell a bag. I did not get paper hands. It got closed for me. I did not sell it. And my bag was over 50 grand. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. Scouts on, I swear on my life, I didn't touch that bag. I prefer this to a 24-hour stream. Double days of trading. Hell yeah. I hope the war will end. Peace and freedom will make mankind happy. It's not a war, my friend. There's more going on behind the eye than you even know. You will learn constantly in our group. Constantly charts posted with breakups and coming. It's the best decision I've made in a long time. Love my lifers. Crypto life changer, man. You jumped on in, baby. You did the right thing. Hey, I kept telling you, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Satoshi can't leave. Exactly. Try to short waves quick. Oops, huh? Come on, Jimmy. Come on, Jimmy. Don't fight the feeling, Jimmy. Don't get FOMO. Phantom is garbage now without... Oh, that's a lie. You're out. You're out. You're out. Look at this guy. He's out right now. Look, I'm in too good of a mood. I'm deading anyone that's not cool. Look at Phantom is garbage. That's not true, man. He wasn't even doing much on the project. And you are removed. Peace out, bro, with your whack attitude. Okay, let's look at Alchemy Pay. Phantom up 13%. Hello, I'm new to this channel. Can you check out REN USDT, please? It looks like a win. 15-minute thanks. I am in REN right now, personally in the trade. So I am personally in REN right now. So let's take a look at REN. I'm going to look at the USDT pair because that's what I'm in. On KuCoin. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate you. Thoughts on Richard Hart? He's cool. I mean, he's a smart dude. You know what I'm saying? He's a smart dude. He's a little pompous. He could represent himself a little bit better. I believe he was the guy that in high school that got no lay. You know, he got no love. Like, and now he's like the man, and he doesn't really know how to, you know. He was the nerd in high school. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just being honest, you know. But you know, I think his ideas are amazing. I don't think Pulse is a scam. I think it's a real deal project. I don't know. I think he's the real deal, and what he does is good for the community. You know, he cares. He knows. He thinks he knows it all, though. But again, that's my thoughts on Richard Hart. Richard Hart. Send in a super chat if you want me to go over your coin, touch on something, do some TA. Let me know. Much West Michigan love. Crypto Lifer is the GOAT. Shout out to Eric Browning in the game. Guy getting roughed up in the alley. Legend. Shout out to Paulo Indica. My man. You should interview Richard Hart. I would love to. Bitcoin 48,000 in March, 53,000 in April. Let's go. ACH Boss Man, love you. Send in a super chat, Kevin. Send in a super chat. You want it and I want it. Let's come somewhere in the middle. It could be $1. What's the name of the shorts heat map? Where can I get it? High block, baby. High block. Because I hit a big wave today. My man, Andrew Sutlo. Me and Zach, you'll hit for a $10 super chat from Mr. Smurvington. You're the man, dude. And Gala, please, from my man, Truckin' Fasho. That's so funny. Thank you for the 20 rubles here. Rubles funny, right? I had to say rubles. Once again, showing who's the best. Sam, once again, showing who has the best TA of crypto. Thanks again for the lessons, the support, and the love. Lister333, my man. Much respect to you and yours, bro. Booming from Sonic 1. My peoples, man. I love y'all. I had to come out and be here with y'all. I had to. Hey there, Grace Protocol. Great to see you. Look, in Bit Mode Crypto in there. Even the Bit Mode, man. Even the Bit Squad up in the game. You know we had to go live when things went live. You know we had to come correct when the energy was high. Bang, 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 bang. Wow. Let's take a look at these super chats real quick. I'm hyped right now. You can tell I'm drunk on gains right now. Drunk on gains. Long-term Bitcoin holder. Love when I see Bitcoin pump like that. Love when I see Bitcoin pump like that. And it's been a crazy few days. The sideways behavior was just getting to me like dumper pump at one point. You know what I'm saying? Dumper pump. So look at Ren. I see Ren in a kind of a cup and handle, right? Pushing up on the 1 hour didn't get much love. You know, 4 hour wants to fly though. I'm going to ride this 4 hour to the next resistance, either to here. If it can get above here, I'm going to ride it up to here. But I'm personally in the trade right now for Ren, and I like what I'm seeing. I trade Ren every once in a while. I'm in Ren right now. Going to pump it to the upside. Let's see how we do on the 4 hour. 4 hour goes somewhere. If it does or doesn't, we'll see. But I'm liking this cup and handle for Ren on the 4 hour time frame. Measured move is 49.54 for Ren. And you are removed. I remove all the negative people out of my life easily. Man, Crypto Life with the energy, man. The energy is pumping, baby. The energy cannot be stopped. Look, I gotta stand up, man. I'm raising the roof right now. I gotta stand up desk. I'm moving the whole desk up right now to match me. Stand up desk, baby. Love when I got it. Shout out to my man Jesse Jungle. Told me I had to get the stand up desk. He was 100% right. 100% right. Wow, and I had a suit and tie on. I had the tie on all day, baby. The energy is over 9,000. Thanks to Miss Lifer for you being on tonight. Oh, she was like, why are you so loud? I opened a trade just now and fearful. Oh, that's not a good look. Take a shot of lemon water, my man. Ew, it's the gross lemon water from this morning, though. And it's like all nasty and gross. Oh, it tasted kind of a little off, too. Yeah. Yeah, that's musty. Your desk is definitely awesome. I want to show you guys the desk tonight. You know what I'm saying? I wonder if I can do that. Do I have enough length? I don't think I do. No, I don't have the long one on. Desk is hot though, I'm telling you. I gotta put it back now. Dang. If I got the longer cord, plugged it in, got it going, yada yada, you. Hey, hold up. Looks like I got some slack here. I do. I got slack. This is where I do my magic, everybody. This is where the lifer lives, man. Oh, that's a cool image right there. But these are my screens. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screens, baby. And that's my dream house. That's where I want to live, baby. That's where I'm going to end up. That's where we all going to come and chill. Look at that. Look at that. That's my dream house, baby. 10.9 mil, St. Armand Circle, Siesta Key, Washington Drive, baby. We're going to blast out. I'm going to get that house. That's going to be my house. And we're going to have a blast in that house. I'm telling you right now. Look at the backyard I got waiting for us. I'm telling you, I'm already in that house. I already own that house. Look at my, this is going to be my bedroom, right? This is going to be my bedroom right here. Bedroom's going to be hot. Look at that, right? Look at the backyard. Check it. Hold up. Look at the backyard. Look at the backyard. Backyard's gonna be fresh. Look at that. Backyard's gonna be fresh. It's gonna have the pool, the jet skis waiting. We got the boat right there. We're gonna have you can come out and you can go kayaking. We're gonna have it all, baby. We're gonna do it big. We're gonna have the freaking, oh my God. Look at that house. I'm gonna live in that house. I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna live in that house. So shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. I love y'all so much. I just wanted to share this with you. I'm so happy right now. I couldn't ask for anything more in my life. I really couldn't. I couldn't ask for anything more in my life. Like, today was a success as a YouTuber, as a streamer, a success as a trading guru. Like, at the trading group, like, we hit wins. Everyone seems to be happy. We're doing it. I'm super excited, man. I'm just super, super excited. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. And you're awesome people, each and every one of you. I don't know how this expanded. Funny, I don't remember hitting the expansion. But let me bring myself back into the corner there. Oh, actually, no, I didn't. I am in the corner. I'm just messing around. All right, yeah. So I'm just feeling it. That's my new bedroom. All right. That's where the magic happens right there. But I'm telling you, you got to have dreams. You got to have hopes. You got to have visions. You got to have places where you want to end up so you can get there. Right? You're there, man. I'm already there, baby. I'm already there. I'm already there. Fake pump. Get those likes up. You have the best channel. Shout out to Ben Sheba, baby. Dude, your army, man. Miami would be a bit much for me. I grew up on Miami South Machine. The hype would overstimulate me. I don't live in Miami, man. That's Sarasota, baby. That's the Gulf. We completely different. BTC dump of the night. Surprise XRP didn't pump as good, but I'll take it. Nothing's going to pump when Bitcoin pumps like that. Don't buy Bitcoin right now. I wouldn't buy Bitcoin on the beginning of a pump right now. No, definitely not. Got sold off. Look, and now, to me, top trend line, right? Just hit the top of the trend line. This thing's coming right back down, probably right here to 37,400. So don't get too hyped. 4 hours getting overbought, and we're about to double top. Come right back down. Look to the top of the bottom of the pattern here. Don't be amazed if you see Bitcoin back down here at 37,700 with whack Fed news, and tomorrow everything changes. So don't be amazed. But again, we did look at the daily, and the daily kind of did break out, but I guess not though. Interesting. Can't say it did really. You'd have to go a little lower to see the daily breaking out, honestly. Maybe it did for a second, came back into the pattern, right? It was about to break out. We were getting the push up. But again, the daily still has momentum. Wow, look at this double bottom. I didn't notice this. See, that's why you got to look at things more than once. Look it's a beautiful W, right? I mean, if that was upside down, we would trade that M to the downside, and that would be the measured move. So who's to say we aren't going to go to 45,677 based on the daily time frame? All right. They took the shorts. Now they'll go for the longs. Yeah, but there's not as many longs. There's still a lot of shorts up here. There's still more shorts than the longs. Way more shorts up here than longs. I'll tell you that right now. Way more shorts than longs. Let's take a look at Bookmap. Sorry if I missed the ETA, but I was wondering if you could go over it. Interesting. You guys like to put me to work, huh? I can't even just come on and have a fun time. People are like, yo, you're the TA guy. Whoosh. What if one day I was just like, I'm not doing TA, I'm just hanging out. I'm just going to talk about my stuffed animal collection. And I had all my stuffed animals. And I was like, I'm just going to go over all my stuffed animals right now. This is Heidi. This is Sue Ellen. This is Bilbo. And I was like, I'm not doing super chats today. I'm just going to go over the... I'm just in a funky mood right now. I'm in a funky mood. Because I didn't expect to go on. I really didn't. And I didn't expect the pump to happen the way it did. Even when I said, you never know what's going to happen. Never. In my opinion, it was the bottom for Bitcoin at 37,820. If it's true that Elon Musk bought 100,000 Bitcoin recently, Sam. I don't know where you heard that. I can't confirm or deny that statement. Joshua Carrero, my man. Buck Nasty in the house. Buck Nasty. I like Richard because he beats to his own drum. He can rub people the wrong way with his cockiness, but overall, he's good for the space. He's not a scammer, and I'm not a Hexican. I am a Hexican. I sacrificed the pulse, and, I like the dude too. I like everybody, man. I'm full of love, man. I'm here to love everyone. I don't got no hate in my life. A real lifer will enjoy the show. So what are you going to do next time Bitcoin hits the all-time high? I don't know. Maybe I'll jump off a bridge. Yeah, my man with the second stream, working overtime. Shout out to Air to the Row. My man with a $10 super chat. You're the man, dude. Thank you so much. Crypto Lifer, you're the best. Shout out to Toby Chapman. I love you, Toby. You're the best, man. Let's go VeChain. Hope VeChain could pass the 5-cent mark again. Yeah, you never know. I'm a long-term VeChain holder, but it hasn't been fun. 40,007, a good entry for a long. I don't know. You're going to have to figure that out on your own. I will never tell you when to enter a trade. I want to buy my katana. Funny. How do you flip the chart upside down? You hit Alt-I. Alt-I flips the chart upside down, and then you can kind of get an idea of what you're seeing the other way. It's a good way, actually, to look at the chart. You'll be like, okay, I see what's happening. And you can kind of go against any of your own. If you think something's going to happen, you can kind of go against it and kind of battle it, right? So you don't get caught up in your own sauce. Shout out from Broward County, Florida. Didn't know you were a Florida guy. Love Florida, baby. Shout out to Frank Kramer, my man. Oh, yeah, I've been coming to Sarasota for years, my friend. Years. Absolutely love it. I got a lot of people down there. They took me out to dinner, took care of me. Last time I went to Florida, I had 5 lifers freaking catering to me. I had Rodney Robinson pick me up from the airport. I had Jesse Marshall take me out to dinner. I saw a lifer on the beach. He got up and saw me on the beach. Go to sleep, said my wife. Forget that. You should pull up the heart versus ship debate and watch a minute of it in the middle. It's hilarious. Oh, I think it's great. If I probably get copyright infringement though, so I don't want to, Bitcoin in a bear pennant. No, that's not a bear pennant to me. No, it's not. Super chat, Gala and ETH. Let's take a look at Gala and ETH. Let's take a look at our baby Gala. And with this Bitcoin pump, this is going to flood into cryptos. It's going to flood right into the little alts that want to pump. I'm telling you right now. You can see the tight consolidation. You can see it. We're talking about Gala. Gala's about to do what Bitcoin did on the daily time frame. Gala's about to make a bit of a move here. Look, it's so tight. It's pointing up on the daily time frame. 4 hour is also pointing, wanting to fly. I love what I'm seeing for the 4 hour. 1 hour is high, but kind of got extended. It's not when I like to get in, so I would see, either you get a push here and you pop, right? Which is possible with the 4 hour and all what's going on, or you come back down and bounce. Honestly, come back down and bounce here and hold this level at 21.5, or you're going to bounce and leave the pattern. And if you leave the pattern, then it's a bearish retest, or they could be trying to stop people out, but then at that point, you'll probably have another shot at it. I kind of like getting into Gala right now because if you get stopped out, you get stopped out. If not, you take the ride of the 4 hour and the daily, and you can kind of maybe ride that minutia of the 1 hour. I like Gala right now, in my humble opinion. Last time I traded it, I hit it nice for a little bit of gains. Not huge gains, like 10%, and I moved on. East Jordan, right on to East Jordan, man. Fingbook back at you. ADA pumping now. Nice. Unless it breaks 46K and holds, I'm not getting excited. Yeah, I agree. Gala is my special child. Okay. One of these days, we will get there with VeChain. Until then, I just keep buying. Hey, Steven, as long as you believe in it and you're okay with that, you're going to be fine. Joe for the $5 super chat. Much respect to you and yours, Joe. Thank you. Is that my wife? Why'd you do that? You hit me with a stuffed animal? What are you doing?
It's your teddy bear. You share with everybody.
Oh, yeah, I was going to talk about my teddy bears. This is Growly. Growly gets a little mad sometimes. Growly gets a little mad. Okay. I was looking at feedback from my CMO. He's like, hey, shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Jumping on into the live stream. Just excited to be alive right now. Just excited to be here. Just sharing my feelings with y'all. Sometimes it's not about just me grinding, right? Like everyone's, man, and I kind of get it now. Once a celebrity becomes, like, and I'm not saying I'm a celebrity, but once someone gets put in a box, right? Like, you're Tom Brady. You're the quarterback. Right? You have to play football. Like, no one wants you to talk about anything else. They're like, talk about football or get out, It's funny. It's like I lost who I was, man, when I became the crypto lifer. I'm like, I'm also a human. I'm not just a YouTube streamer. I'm also a real person, you know? Some people don't realize that. No, honestly, like, you get into like where the public can get at you, and you're like, when anyone can say whatever they want to you publicly, you wouldn't believe what if people have written and said to me. Like, some of the rudest things you've ever heard, like, ever in my life, you know? Manager is like, ditch the animal. You're funny, man. The new laws are so bullish, it feels so underrated. This summer, people will get bullish the next 5 years. Oh, man. I'm excited for you, Tree Invest, man, my dude. We see you for who you are as well. Thank you so much, Grace. I appreciate that. Polygon-matic B-Rise, still doing them? Oh, there's the Hawk Girls webcam. We haven't seen that guy for years, man. I can't stand this stuff. Hide user on the channel. Thank you. All right. I'm quicker than the mods. Look, I'm quicker than the mods. I'm faster than the mods. You're the man. Keep up the positive energy. Shout out to Meet Patel, my man. Love you, Meet. Thank you so much for being here, brother. Is your name really Meet? It's not bad. I mean, it's cool. Sniped immediately. Oh, we got him. Bot attack. How are you tonight, buddy? I'm doing great. Thank you, Crypto Deej. Thank you for asking, man. I appreciate that. Don't move. There's something on your shoulder. Ah! New here. Thank you for the anchor call this morning. Shout out to Aaron Caldy, my man. Anytime, my friend. Anytime. Can you do what you want to do? You give us the tools. We just have to be consistent. Shout out to Grace. I love you, Grace. Thank you for coming on in. Yeah, it's me, but he's vegan. You're funny, man. I love the stream. Shout out to from Daytona Beach, Florida. Super chat. Let's take a look at ETH. Gallo looking nice to me. I like what Gallo's about to do. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Is ETH about to follow Bitcoin or dump to the downside? We shall see. ETH is a deflationary tool, right? They've been burning a lot of ETH recently, too. In the last quarter, more ETH has been burned than you would have believed. Like 220,000 ETH or something crazy. Shout out to the live. Shout out to Toby Chapman in the game. Let's have it go. Shout out to Keep It Ratchet BSC. I like that. Keep It Ratchet BSC. That's awesome, man. Meat must hate his parents. You guys are funny, man. Shout out to the lives. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I would greatly appreciate it. Let's take a look at Ethereum on the big dog time frame. Let's take a look at the daily. And honestly, all these things, like we were saying, I was talking about this earlier today. We spent some time on ETH today, and look, I mean, it's just in an upward trajectory. Everyone was wondering, are we in a bear run? I mean, how can we be in a bear run? ETH was at 1440. We didn't even go back to that area. Like, ETH just surged and had a little correction. We almost had an all-time high. We just had a little bit of a correction. Highly likely we continue to pump to the upside. I see ETH in this falling wedge. Wants to do damage. And it has a long leg. This is the leg here for ETH to the upside. If ETH breaks up, we're going to see ETH crack through this area here at 4,900, I'm sorry, and get to a new all-time high at about $6,000. That's the measured move for ETH if it can hold this trend line, which it's been holding for a long time. You want to look at the weekly time frame. The weekly is just getting started, turning up right there, starting to get turned. So anything is possible for ETH. I do believe it'll go to $6,300 sometime in 2022. I truly believe that. But again, anything is possible and nothing's guaranteed. Is it guaranteed to happen? I don't know. I believe it could happen, and I like what I'm seeing here. Also, some people would consider this Sammy cup and ante a bit of a cup and handle. Even though it's a slight cup here on the left side, the cup does have a bit of a nice cup there, and that's a cup and handle that could make it all the way to $6,267. So, shout out to Zero Allegiance in the house. Shout out to everyone here. Chilling, not checking on those gains. Chilling out, checking on those gains. My man, Sammy from the 9,000 feet in Colorado. Praying from up high. My man. Shout out to PL Hunt, my dude. Thank you. New to the Patreon last month. Been learning tons and really killing it the last week. This trading group rocks. Can we get a Waves update? Shout out to Andrew Rutledge. Andrew, I'm copying that. I'm sending that to the testimonial. To me, that's a testimonial. Hands down. So many amazing people here on the live. So many awesome testimonials. So many people jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. And these testimonials are amazing. Like, you know, doubled my capital since Monday. The group is awesome. Worth every dollar. and hour put in, worth every second of time, bouncing ideas off other members. Very grateful for the lifer fam. I met you a few months ago, and you really changed something in me. 2 years ago, my dad died from a heart attack, and it really broke me for a while. You helped me change this by learning from you, and not only TA, but love, kindness, wisdom, and much more. Today, I'm already 3 times in my portfolio, and it's all thanks to you. Thank you for everything. Like, you know, not only do we teach TA, we got someone out of a deep depression hole there. His dad died. We pulled him out of it. He showed up to the live stream every day. He saw me up. He saw me upbeat. He saw me positive. The positivity was infectious. The positivity grew into him. Eventually, he was able to get his mind right and to make money trading, even though he was going through a dark time. That means more to me than anything right there. That's amazing. I see a lot of trading groups. People say that guy made me money. I don't see a lot of people say, hey, this dude got me out of a deep depression and actually changed my life forever. That's what I'm talking about. We're life coaches here on this channel. We're here for you every single step of the way. And then Bitcoin is back down. And I did say, watch Bitcoin. Highly likely it could come right back down, right? Why is that? Well, the 4 hour got overbought really, really quickly. So we're going to have a turn. And we hit resistance on the daily, right? On the top trend line there. So look. Wow, it was just a salty wick. I can't believe that. Let's look at the 15-minute. Wow, they brought it all the way back down. Look at that. That is crazy. They pumped it and they brought it all the way back down. That's insanity. And we're right back to where we started at 39.5. That's kind of depressing. I'll be honest. Like, I can't believe they just did that. Like, this has been the most insane. This is nuts. This behavior is nuts. However, 15-minute may flip again on us, but that was insane. How are they doing that to people? Like, rip, rop. That's why you don't leverage trade. You know how many people just jumped in right now, and then they said too many people jumped in? We got to wreck them too. Crazy. A lot of people spam. We see it. We don't care. I love you, man. Super chat, sand in a waves update. For sure, for sure. Eat the shorts, eat the new longs. Damn, man. Just made 108 on a little futures 20x short. Trade, though. My man Connor Anderson banging on him. It works every once in a while, my man, but you keep that up, eventually they'll take every penny you have. Trust me. I'm not lying. Pour a little liquor out for every single person that ever got liquidated. You have to pour all the booze out in the whole world. No lie. 3 years ago to this day, I promised I will never drink again. I broke that promise, but I never forget this date. Thanks. Be safe. Why did you... Why? 3 years ago to this day, I promised I would never drink again. I broke the promise, but I never forget this date. Thanks. Be safe. Yo, don't drink, man. Don't do it, bro. If you took a sip, just end it right now. I'm telling you right now, don't do it. Don't do it. Alcohol is the worst thing in the world. It's the worst thing in the world. You know, I'm opening a 50x short with all my life savings. That's the dumbest thing you could ever do. How do you like Solana's pattern? Bitcoin blasted 42K to 45. LOL. I don't know, man. Waves and ORG, please. Oh, crap. I was going to sell some Bitcoin to buy more missiles. He's so flat. There's Vlad. Yo, there's Putin right there. Look. There he is. He's on the live. Yo, what up, Vlad? Insane, right? It ain't worth it. One drink is too many, and too many is never enough. My man produced the beats, dude. One drink is too many, and too many is never enough, man. I did NA. I was there. I will admit that. I've had some tough roads. And again, I mean, alcohol is just not the look. It's not going to help you at all. It's not going to do anything. Chill out. Everything is the same. It is. It's right back to normal now. 39,500. It was a fun pump, though, wasn't it? It was a fun pump to the upside. Unbelievable. Can't believe we gave it away that fast, though. That's so whack. Hit resistance and just ate it right through an hour later. So sad, man. Last time I get excited for Bitcoin, every single time. Honestly, though, that's weird. That in my whole life, we usually go up and back down again. I mean, this is just... And look, they keep doing the same thing. Look, this is it here. This is it here. This is them doing it again right there. And I'll tell you why this is happening. I have a hunch of why this is going on. Because there's less Bitcoin in the exchanges. There is. So it's getting harder and harder for the market maker to get the Bitcoin. So he has to do more outlandish moves to get it. I'm telling you right now. That's why you buy it, you put it on a hardware wallet, and you stash it. You don't let it anywhere else they can get their hands on it. You don't leverage trade it. You don't play with it. Personally, you do whatever makes you happy. But me, I buy my Bitcoin and I stash it. I don't want anyone to see my bitty bits. All right? I stash that Bitcoin and I keep it long. Wave's still holding its own. It'll pull back with Bitcoin. I would have gotten out when the 1 hour, 2 hour got that extended. When they're overbought, that's when I get out of the trade. Highly likely. You're far away from the 21-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame. You're going to have to come kiss it again. Highly likely this is going to be your top for the night. Highly likely that's going to be your move. We hit waves for 20% gains about. How much did we hit it for exactly? Yeah, 20% gains for waves. Trade of the day. Congratulations to anyone that hit it. Again, if I gave one trade a day every day, this was the one I was most focused on. This is the one I believed would hit without hitting a stop loss. And no stop loss got hit in the making of this trade. Yes. Oh, wait, sorry. No, messing with you. But again, pennant, low stochastics, we nailed it. Shout out to anyone that took the trade, jumped on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for getting in there. So waves, I would be taking profits right now, waiting for it to kind of make a flag here. Do something like this and connect with the 21-day moving average. That's what we're looking for. That's what I want to see for waves. All right. Look at this guy. He said, Phantom FUD will blow over. I'm also a software dev, and to think the project is going to die because 2 devs left is nuts. Yep. Let's look at our Go chain that we talked about recently, right? Was it Go Me or Go Chain? I think it was Go Chain, right? Trying to make a bit of a move here. It pumped up on the 4 hour, but didn't really do much. It's kind of sad, you know? So it pumped on the 4 hour, but you didn't break a previous support region. Highly likely we continue to the downside now, honestly. Something like this. It did bounce on the bottom trend line, but now it's getting rejected. Says it can swing right back down. That 4 hour says it's cooked, but we shall see. We shall see. Look at this. Mark Zuckerberg says NFTs are coming to Instagram soon. Mark Zuckerberg is now at South by South. We're working on bringing NFTs to Instagram in the near term. I should have went to South by Southwest. I should have just went. I got to start telling my wife I got to bounce and I got to do it. She wants to bring the whole family, but the kids got to go to school. They got so much to do. You know what I'm saying? Look at my man, Danny. I love Danny, man. Look at he's so funny, man. The blue eye. His pennant. I love this shirt, man. To the moon, man. To the moon. Shout out to Danny. Shout out to all my lovers of life. Shout out to my crypto lifers. Everyone that's surrounding themselves in my trading group. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for kicking it. I love you all, and I appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of my life. Thank you so much. Oh my, Scam Wicks. That's why you need a stop loss. Oh yeah. To take profits. Yeah, you do. Basically, you need a limit order to take profits, not a stop loss. You need a limit order is what you're saying. You know? Need a limit, baby. That 3L would have been a nice play to the upside, and then you would have been out huge if you didn't take that. Crazy, right? Crazy. That was crazy. I still can't believe it pumped and then just came all the way back down. It's kind of sad. I came out just to see the pump and then... Do you go to any of the Bitcoin conferences? I haven't been to yet. So good support of 50 MA on the 4 hour. What just happened to Bitcoin? It just got pounded to the ground right after it got pumped to the upside. Horrible. Horrible what just happened. Horrible. NFT XRP. Bro, look at Bitcoin 2 hour candle. It's hilarious. Yeah, it's horrible, man. Horrible. Do they need school, though? No, they don't. They don't. She could just ride with me, you know? Let's run these likes up before he leaves, guys. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Shout out to Cambo's new Lambo, my man. Can you buy me a Lambo, bro? We got a pump and a poop. I know, that's exactly what we got. So sad. Where'd you get that Labradorite? You know where I got the Labradorite? A fellow lifer sent it to me. You know, a lifer talked about it on the stream. And then I grabbed these 2 Labradites here, right? This Labradorite, it broke, though, which is sad. But it's okay that it broke. Let me put it together the right way. It kind of looks like the state of New York when it's placed right. How can I forget this? Yeah, like this. See, kind of looks like the state of New York. Let me see if I can get you guys to see the Labradorite essence. I have to look at the camera to find the essence, though. Ooh, some actually just came off there. Kind of grinded a little piece off. Let's find some essence. There's a nice essence right there. See this on this one? What's funny is I found this essence yesterday. I didn't know that essence exists for a long time until I found it yesterday. I only thought it was this straight essence that went through the middle.
See, there's another one. There's a gold essence. I'm trying to find it. There's one right. Hard to find them for you. Let's see. I'm only getting that little one now, the way the cameras are angled. See if you can see. But see that? There's the essence. See the it's like a beautiful yellow, pink, all sorts of different colors coming out. Labradorite, man. The way the spectrum hits the light. Danny will break it down for you in its entirety. You know, crazy how it can light up, though. I can see lights that maybe y'all can't see depending on where you're positioned. And it looks dull when you're just looking at it. But then there's just these, like, essences of just insane color, shape, and sizes out of the labradorite. And you can see where the essence is. Like, see, the essence is here. And this will actually grow in color and shape. Labradorite increases your intuition, makes you stronger, following your own heart. If you go into nature with labradorite, it'll collect that feeling. It'll collect that where you're at, and it'll bring that in. You'll be able to carry that with you for the rest of the week, the rest of the month. Labradorite has a way of forming energy around you, protecting you, keeping you going. It's really, really an amazing thing. I'm telling you right now. I know you don't believe me. You might be like bugging out. I'm telling you, this labradorite will tell me when things are about to happen, like emanating, and I can feel them. I can feel them. I really can. And over time, it gets stronger. And the more you stay alone in nature, the more you go out into nature alone, the more you enhance the ability of the labradorite, all right? They don't want you to be independent. They don't want you to spend time in nature. They don't want you to build self. Because if you have self, then you can't be told what to do. If you have self, you can't be brainwashed. If you have sense of self, it's a lot harder to get me to do something that makes no sense research-wise. You know what I'm saying? That has no real reason to be doing it. You'll be like, nah, I don't really buy that. That don't make sense to me because I have a sense of self. Now, that's not a bearish engulfing candle. This actually, I'll tell you right now. Look at this. 1 hour is still kind of in the oversold region. We could get a turn here, come down, and pump up. That's only a little downside, and we could still pump. So I think this might get eaten up. You'd be surprised. They might just be digging for the short, so they might still continue to the upside. Pretty interesting. That 2 hour candle is just absurd, though. Look at it. And that is a bearish doji, the way you look at it. I can't believe that 4 hour candle is going to have a wick like that. I feel like they got to buy this candle back up. Resistance is sitting here at 39,750. That's our resistance point. Even these wicks here, 39,700. Thought we were actually going to finally break 41K and hold above 40K. They faked me out as fast as they faked us all out. I can't believe that. Man, a vicious game. It's a vicious game to play. It really is. What a vicious, vicious game. And we're back in the tightness. And now I'm going to say a big move still coming in 36 hours. It's like we're back in this tightness. This is absurd. Absolutely absurd. Can't believe it. I'm in shock right now. Let's take a look at sand. Let's take a look at our baby sand. And that Bitcoin pullback would be a nice place to get in. They bought the hard fake out. Another big candle. Dumb. Siri, what's volatility? Right? Hey Siri. What did she say? Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Of course, right? Now she don't work. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. All right, don't work now. Hey Siri. Oh, here it goes. Have to be almost close. Hey Siri. What is volatility?
In finance, volatility is the degree of variation of a trading price series over time, usually measured by the standard deviation of logarithmic returns. Would you like to hear more?
Sure.
Historic volatility measures a time series of past market prices. Implied volatility looks forward in time, being derived from the market price of a market-traded derivative.
I have the SC. I just hold the home button. I don't get along with Siri. Thank you, Siri. Siri is so sultry. Just tweeze your bottom out of the psychological high on the 15-minute. I know. That's what I'm saying. Do you think Bitcoin came back down to 37K? Do you think Bitcoin come back down? I don't know, man. I don't think when I trade. I don't use what I think. Shout out to Ross Kush for the 3333. Are you kidding me? I've learned more from this man in 2 years than I have learned in my entire 4 years of schooling. The greatest loss of all is wasted time. And the crypto lifer has never wasted my time. Thank you, boss. Crypto is life. Ross, man, you're the man, dude. I love you, Ross. Much respect to you and yours, man. I still got to do your one-on-one, man. We never did a one-on-one, bro. Remember? Love you, brother. Love you, man. Shout out to Dez. Shout out to the whole team. Shout out to my New York peoples. Appreciate each and every one of you. Oh, wow. Look, people leaving the SEC now. They don't want to be involved in this nonsense. Look, Commissioner Allison Lee announces her departure from the SEC. The commissioner whose exit will leave a second vacancy at the administration said she will remain on the job until a successor can take office. Securities Exchange Commission Allison Heron Lee announced that she would be stepping down from her post at the end of her term in June because they're about to get embarrassed by XRP. They're out. They're just like, all right, we're all going to jump ship right now. This is funny. A Democrat who replaced former Commissioner Karen Steen will create a second vacancy at the SEC, with another left open by Republican Elan Roseman, who announced he would be leaving in January. Commissioner Hester Pierce, known to many in the space as Crypto Mom, is currently the sole Republican of the 5-member commission. By law, no more than 3 members of the commission can belong to the same party. Lee worked at the SEC for over a decade before her appointment, serving as her predecessor. But what about the fake ones, like the people that act like, because you always have Republicans that act like Dems and Dems that act like, you have hidden, you have people under, you got to have the undercover brothers, you got to have those people. They're out there, right? They're out there. Shout out to Ross Kush for the 3333 in the amazing super chat. You're the man, dude. Much respect to you. He said, I've learned so much from this man in the last 2 years than I had learned in my entire 13 to 14 years of schooling. The greatest loss of all is wasted time, and the crypto lifer has never wasted my time. Thank you, boss. Crypto is life, man. And you hear it from the people. We've changed so many people's lives. We got the movement. We got the feeling. We got the vibes. Now we just got to keep it moving. Sand is actually looking beautiful to me. If we look at Sand, it's in a beautiful consolidative mode. Getting tight. And again, Sand's going to be a big project one day. It's going to get to $10, $20 a coin at one point, I think. I think $10 is very viable. Sad, we looked at Sand at 4 cents. I mean, that's when everyone calls this a bear market. It's weird. I mean, Sand at 4 cents back in January, right? That's when I bought Sand at 4 cents. Can you believe that? Divided by 0.04, right? 68x. I had $4,000 in there, right? You'd be sitting on $273,000. Right now, if the market was horrible, right? When Sand went to $7, oh my God, $7 divided by 0.04, and I gave Sand at 4 cents in my trading group. $4,000. I had $4,000 in it at 4 cents. $700,000 off $4,000 in a year and like 2 months, because we got in January, and we're just coming around the bend again. I mean, unbelievable, pretty crazy. So I see Sand getting very tight right now. I really do. Look at this, consolidating into a tight mode on the daily time frame, oversold as well. Look at the 3-day. I want to look at bigger time frames. Oversold in the 3-day. Look at the weekly, beat to the ground on the weekly. Fell through the 21-day moving average. Everything looking sweet and secure. Look at the 4-hour, it's overbought. This is the issue with a lot of things. We got high, but we didn't make a move. However, what I see happening is just more minutia, more sideways behavior here. Like maybe we come up, we come back down. We could go even a little lower, and we just readjust this. Sand, something like that. And then the entry for Sand, 245. Wouldn't want to see us break that any lower. Let's see, because this is our line in the sand. This is our line in the sand right here. Caught myself there as I was saying that. So there's support. We break that. I mean, you don't have a lot of support from that. You can come all the way back down to 110. So we don't want to see Sand break this 245 region. And we're getting pretty close. If Bitcoin has a big, nasty drop, Sand will continue to drop. You'd have to use a stop loss there at this point. What I'd like to do is I would long Sand here with a stop loss below those points, because if it breaks, then you're either fishing, you're either fishing for a lower stop, and it's gonna have to fight through some support and resistance lines, and you could probably get a back in. This is what I like to do. I long it right here with a stop loss here. If I get stopped out, I wait for it to come back up and recover, bounce, and then I get into this retest, and that would be my next entry. If I don't get stopped out, I keep riding it and keep riding it. I keep riding it and keep rising my stop loss. So I'm already ready to get stopped out and reposition if it happens. And I'm already ready to get in. This is what I see happening for Sand. Now, the measured move is the length of the pole. That's going to be your measured move for Sand. That would put sand all the way up here at about what? $10.89. Sand, baby, sand. That would be a huge gain for sand. Big moves. So there's big risk. Now, if we go back to 110, so you could either gain 320. Now, if we go back to 110, which I find is like our next support zone, you could only lose about 50%, 110, 126. So the risk isn't that bad compared to where you could get. So you could risk 50% to get to the next support, or you could break out and start your move back to 320% gains. So again, risk-reward ratio looks pretty nice for sand. Looks like something I may be kind of talking myself into this right now. I like what I'm seeing for sand. All right. Bigger time frames are in our favor. That's what I like to do. I put a lot of weight on those. 26 minutes, we may pump. Hoping we were above 38,283 on the 5-day closure in 20 and a half hours on the Stokes turn up. My man, I love how you're in on that 5-day, man. I'm telling you, there's a Twitter guy. He's called the 5-day guy. You said you didn't research him, but I'm telling you, he's all about the 5-day. I think you would like to see what he has to say, because if you're trading the 5-day, he's going to hook you up. They just wicked us to 35K. No, they did not. No, they did not. That's a lie. That's a lie. Complete lie. I don't buy it. I don't buy it. They did not. See, they did not wick us to 35K. That guy's full of it. 39.5 is my line in the sand. You know? I would believe it, though. I had to check, didn't I? You never know lately. Awesome. Thanks, man. Shout out to Cameron Perez, my man. I wish I had known about the lifer a long time ago. Shout out to Stephen Kimbrough. It's all good, man. I'm like a fine wine, man. I get better with age, baby. Keep coming back, man. Seriously, lifer. Ask Siri what regolith is. I'm all set, man. Bitcoin for life. Drinking. No. I don't drink, man. Drinking's whack. Drinking's whack. Kills every organ in the body. Thanks for going hard and jumping in to keep us informed. Much respect. Shout out to David Kendall, my man. Thank you, brother. Fodox vetted and 100% safe. Fodox, you're so silly, man. I can't listen to y'all tonight. I really can't. Hoping we're above 38,285 on the 5-day. I hope so too, man. SEC is on cocaine. You're funny, man. Does anyone have a good Discord? I'm starting a Discord, everybody. I'm starting a Discord. I am. We're going to transition the entire Telegram rooms to Discord. I'm telling you, a guy took me aside. He said, listen, people leave your trading group because they're getting confused. All the rooms, all the movement. I think I have a better way to help you get retention. No, because people do leave the group. It's kind of weird. We make tons of money. We're super positive. People still leave the group. I don't know why. I can't figure it out. And I know we make tons of money. I know we look at all the hottest coins. I know we get all the Bitcoin pumps. Like, to leave the group means you just must be unorganized and, like, you wouldn't have made money if someone if they poured money on you, you know? But I want to make the group even better. I want to make sure nobody leaves the group, all right? And we think that Discord will help. Because right now you have all these rooms disorganized like this. See? Discord is going to be all in front of you, nice and neat, nice and organized. It's going to be way neater. I think you guys are going to really like the Discord experience. I really do. I really, really do. Like, look, what do you think? Like, we could do a vote right now. Just like, what do you all think? Right? Look at the Discord we have built right now. All right? Look what we have built. It's so neat. Look, you got this 99 room here, trading group, right? You got the World Trading Group. Join the 99, the Crypto News. We got testimonials, the Metaverse Focus Group, off-topic chat if you want to just say something and that way off-topic chat can stay there, right? The 99 voice chat. If anyone wants to jump in and talk with each other, it's going to be there. Then we have the learning library. Look, the learning library, the MetaMask class, the beginner's class, right? Question and answer, VIP charts and ideas. You see what I'm saying? Like, actually, VIP charts, I think that's got to move into, like, charting. I'm going to have to reorganize it a little bit because we're still working on the organization. But the Discord's going to be so much better. Look, you're going to go to the Instagram, the YouTube. If I have an event, you're going to be able to hit here and see what's happening. We're going to be able to do all the live streams from here. I'm telling you, there's an admin discussion. I think this is going to be way more organized for everybody. I think you're all going to like it. I'm working really hard. We spent a lot of time making it nice. Shout out to Brandon Peters, my man. Much respect to you and yours coming through and hooking me up. That thing is unbelievable. Words cannot express my gratitude. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below or in the comment section here on the live. We're going to be moving to Discord. How do you feel about that? Is that okay? We're moving to Discord, baby. April 1st, man. I plan on moving to Discord. And you can set it up so even people that aren't part of your group can come in and interact with your peeps. I don't want people doing that, though. Discord is Fuego. Nice drop. Mad respect. Happiness for 2 hours. Sadness for the entire next day. I know. Isn't that crazy? I can't find the Discord. It's not on your Twitter or your website, though. Don't worry, man. We're building it. You don't know it yet. It's still private. How much is the Discord 99 group? It's going to be $99 a month, just like the Telegram. That's all. We're just going to move Telegram to Discord. It's $100 a month, man. $100 a month. I mean, I'm Team Telly, but you know I'm down with whatever. Yeah, but I have to be honest. I'm Team Telly too, but Discord is going to be better. It's going to be more organized. Hands down, it's more organized. It's easier for you to see what you need to see. I want it now. I know you do. Oh my God, look at the 4-hour candle, lifer. Why did he say, oh my God? Yeah, it's so ridiculous, right? That's so nuts. I'm going to delete all my work here. Just like, that's just so sickening. How could they do that? How could they do that? Like, now they're going to make it a red candle? Like, these dudes are vicious. Now they're going to dump. Now they're going to dump. Like, this is nuts. Look, the 4-hour wants to dump. Says that we're going to dump all the way. I cannot. I've never seen that. I've never seen that. That would be a first for me. That's a red engulfing candle now. That's engulfing. This is a first for me. I've never seen it like that. Like, this is nuts. What the hell is going on? 41,689. They got so many to long. They got all these people to wake up. Now they're dumping it so hard now. Look at the 1 hour's dumping. It's got more to go. Wow. This turned into a happy live stream, and now it's an insane dumpage. This is so whack. I'll tell you that right now. This is so whack. Man. Now I'm going to go to bed freaking... I was going to go to bed super happy. Like, whatever. Don't let Bitcoin control your emotions. That's all I got to say. I'm still a happy guy. I love my life. I got my family. I got my peoples. I got my lifers. But dang. I couldn't have predicted that, right? There's no inverted cup and handle for that. 1 hour pointing to the downside. Can the 50 minutes save us? 50 minutes getting low here. Can this wedge break back up to the upside? Sickening. Wow, we couldn't even hold 39K again. We broke that. I don't know what to say. This is market. Honestly, this is even the old market makers. This reminds me of the Fed printing money and buying and selling Bitcoin. Like, this is nefarious. It really is. They're going to try to get as much Bitcoin out of our hands, but they're not going to get it because there's people like the crypto lifer out here. Guess what, market makers? Guess what, powers that be? Guess what, IMF? You're not going to win. You're not going to keep stealing our money. It's not going to happen, baby. We're going to stay here every single day. We're going to stack our Satoshis till we win the game. We aren't going to sell and panic sell our Satoshis. It's not going to happen. Do you hear me, market maker? Do you hear me? I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be here every single day teaching people technical analysis on the weekly. We're going to be buying the fear and greed index when it's in the fear. I'm teaching the whole world to buy the fear. I'm telling you right now. Shout out to all my lifers. Shout out to all my lovers of life. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thank you so much for coming on into the live stream. Thank you so much for the chat revenue. Unbelievable. You guys blew the chat revenue out the water from this morning. $100 tonight. Only $50 this morning. You guys blew out this morning, people. I thought you called the cup and handle. What happened? The cup and handle popped to the upside. I did call it. We nailed it. We sold the top at the exact resistance. Bang, bang, bang. Zach, do you want to come see me in a dark alley? Because I don't think you would. I really don't think you would. I really don't think you would. What's it like being a troll? Tell us what troll life's like, Zach. Going to random streams and saying random stuff. What's it like being a whack-ass troll, huh? Can you tell us? Can you write a biography about troll life? We want to know, because I'm not a troll. So what's it like, dude? No, this is your time to comment, Zach. We're waiting for you. What's troll life like, bro? What's it like being a loser on your computer? I want to know, man. Write it down. Let us know. Life is swole. You don't want to mess with them. Cup and handle played out. It did. Exactly. That was the last pump and dump from the big flag. Wait for the rocket ship. My man. See? Zach, answer the man. Yeah, we're waiting on you, bro. What's troll life like, man? We want to know, because none of us are trolls. You're Zachary, bro. We're talking to Zach. We like you, brother. Get him. Ouch, Zach. Where is he, bro? Where did he go? Where is this dude? Where is he? Look, I thought you called the cup in hand. What happened? Where's Zach, bro? Where's the troll at? Where's the little whack-ass troll, man? Where is he at? Hate gon' hate. Bring it, Zach. Where's my troll at? Aren't you under a bridge somewhere? Zach attacked. Zach got scared. Block his ass. Yo, it is, man. BSC is the first unique contract. XRISE has been developed with a unique algorithm that prevents dumps and offers fair trading. Oh my God, one of these. Another one. He didn't know how to pay himself and now he's rent. Overslept. What did I miss? Shout out to Adrian De Silva. Troll life, right? A troll life. Yo, man. Appreciate each and every one of you. Claim no negativity from that, right? He said under a bridge. Trying to bring others down to his level. He probably got liquidated. Public execution. It's really Hunter Biden. His internet cut out. Trolls can't pay the bills. Waves hit my targets. Yes, it did, baby. I asked the question, why so aggressive? Because you're a loser, bro. Because you asked it like a troll. You know what I'm saying? If you're a real dude, I'll give you a moment to kind of apologize and we'll bring you back into the fold. You know? A legit question. Come on, man. Come on, man. Now you want to cover it up. Trolls live under a bridge. Yo, my man. Shout out to Chad Smith, man. I love you, Chad. Shout out to Chad and Rex. Shout out to all my people that have been with me for a while. Shout out to Gray, Zero Allegiance. Shout out to Stack, East Jordan, Grace Protocol. That is the last pump and dump. Also, we gave you labs. We hit labs. We had a bunch of gains today. Like, let's be honest. We hit labs for gains. Labs for gains. Look at that. Now labs is forming a bit of a flag here. We talked about labs pumping. It pumped up beautifully. We got 42% gains out of labs. Banging on them. Shout out to anyone that jumped into labs for the kid. Now, look, labs is forming a nice little flagarito here on the 15 minuto. Can it continue to go to the upside? Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour's oversold as well. About to get close to that the 21-day moving average. Labs. Getting ready for a possible another 34% gains. Maybe, 28? Something like that. Let's take a look here. Labs on my radar right now. Labs on the radar. All right? Labs. All right? Let's take a look at Anchor Protocol. I know a lot of people are wondering what's up with Anchor. Anchor Protocol. It actually pumped, came back down for a retest. To me, that's kind of a retest. Also, look, it's a shoulder, head, and a shoulder there. 1 hour does have to come back down, right? 4 hours high again. Let's see what it can do. I like Anchor, but it's going to have to make a bit of a, it's going to have to double bottom here, form some type of move off of this lower angle. 257 probably coming back down. Let's take a look at the Dow futures before we get out of here for the night. This is supposed to be a quick acceleratory pump and dump. I mean, pump. I didn't know we were going to dump. Man, that's crazy. Crazy. I'm flabbergasted right now. And the Dow futures are red for the day. We could end up red tomorrow. They're down 45.9. Also, the Fed meeting tomorrow can throw things off. It's kind of crazy. Like, Bitcoin already did something absolutely insane. Already the Fed meeting kind of moving in. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Did I get all the super chats? Did I hit them up? Let me make sure here. Oh, I can actually, let me find him here in Streamlabs OBS. And I do use Streamlabs instead of OBS. I like it a little better. Even though most people probably say I shouldn't use Streamlabs. I do use Streamlabs instead of OBS. We got a lot of subscribers too. Going for 25,000 subs, baby. Going for 25,000 subs. On our way, baby. On our way. Broke Adams. That's a funny name. Broke Adams. You're amazing, man. Thank you for everything you do. Shout out to Cameron Perez, man. Much respect to you. Tonic. We went over Tonic earlier today. Remember Tonic earlier today at Dex Screener? Welcome to Near University. You see that? You see that? That's going to pump Near, man. Come on. Near University. That's hot. Thank you for all you do. It's much appreciated. Stay safe, my friend. Good night. Thank you so much, Alex Taunton. Thank you so much for saying that. Streamlabs has a tipping mechanism, doesn't it? better than Super Chat? I think it does. We calling out trolls every time. Oh, every time. Peep my second Super Chat for $5. Just write down what it was, man. I just got in. 100K subs this coming bull run. Shout out to Connor Anderson. I hope so, man. That would be awesome. That would be so awesome. And look, we talked about Tonic earlier today for Crow, right? Let's see what it did. Did it do some damage? Tonic did pump a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. It was like 20%, something like that. Novogratz of Galaxy Digital says 30 to 50K range bound. Really? For the entire month? I don't know. I don't remember him saying that. And he doesn't always call it perfectly. You know? 30 to 50K range bound through all of 2022? Nah. Snoop Dogg NFT now available. March 15th, Galaxy Digital Financial Service Investment Manager, Innovator Digital Asset, and Blockchain Founder CEO participate in the Fireside Chat at Barclays. On Wednesday, March 30th at 1 p.m. Mikey's expected to provide his thoughts on the latest trends emerging within and shaping the maturation of digital assets. I don't think Mike said that, honestly, man. But you might be right. I don't know. Super Chat, Gilded for Heir to the Wrong. Thank you so much for that. TA Master Lifer, bless you, brother. Good morning to the TA Master Lifer, bless you, brother. Thank you, Bangkok baby. You're the man, dude. Polar Bear Finance. What do you think about Dogecoin? I have 20,000 on it. I like Dogecoin long term. I think long term it will come back to $1. I do believe that. But again, I don't hold Doge long. Super Chat is far better. Super Chat Discord is far better. There's also a new blockchain one called Gilded. If y'all know this, is that what the Super Chat is? I'm confused, everybody. Gilded is the Super Chat that I use. Discord, your place to talk and hang out. Why is Discord the best place? Discord forum. Hackers have turned Discord into an account stealer. Yikes, you know. Discord revenue, usage status, blah, blah, blah. Thanks, I hope. What's the situation for Bitcoin now? Is it going back up or down? I think it's headed down now. Further down. There's more downside for Bitcoin because the Stokes are headed and we're breaking support. More downside for sure. What's the situation for Bitcoin? Yeah, tons of scammers on Discord. Green tea, lemon, and honey with a cup of lukewarm water to start your day with. What say? Not a bad idea. Shout out to Organic Motion Pictures. Love that idea. And I'm going to have a little honey. Helps my throat stay well. Thank you, Sam. I'm not only learning crypto with you, but I'm also learning life. My man, thank you so much for saying that. Appreciate you. You're the man, Lifer. No, you're the man, Bullish Kenny. Yo, Bullish Kenny G, man. Love you, bro. It's been a while. DiMaggio. Shout out to Sean Connolly. Appreciate you, Sean. Thank you for all those 007 movies, man. We're so happy. Sean Connery, I'm messing with you. Making mad games from Dimage, right? Shout out to my man, Sean Connolly. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. As long as not too many people have our permissions in Discord, shouldn't get hacked. No, they don't. We'll be all right. We'll be all right. Do you like a honey video? Oh, thank you so much for the honey video. That was so nice of you. I think 3 people ended up making a honey video for me today, too. Much respect to you and yours. Zach got the gas face. You guys are funny, man. Radio voice. Shout out to everyone here. I am the man with the radio voice in crypto. If you need a radio voice in crypto, come on into the live stream. Get a professional radio voice like nothing you've ever had. I mean, you have to actually watch real TV or radio to get a voice like this, but you get it right here on YouTube. YouTube's getting more professional. They're hiring more professional people like me. Soon, YouTube will become the new whatever you want it to be. Bitcoin needs to fully reset on the daily SRSI before liftoff. I don't think so. I don't think it does. I think it can move even more, but there you go. Anything is possible. Barbie Rash. Life for the man. Wake up to positive vibes each day, changing my life. So many people are saying that. I'm so excited to hear that the positive vibes are really getting in. Look at XRP BTC chart. Looking bullish. As long as not too many people. Yep. Can you please look at near USDT? I have a profit target at 1160. Kashawn. He's crazy. Yeah, right. I believe a better life is possible since I started following this channel. It definitely is, man. It definitely is. A better life is possible. I found a better life. And I just want everyone to know that you can too, for sure. Without a doubt in my mind, a better life is always possible at any given moment in time. We can achieve anything we put our minds to. We can achieve anything we put our minds to. There's nothing stopping us but ourselves. There's nothing stopping us but ourselves. Your attitude determines your altitude. Shout out to Toby Chapman. 110%. 110%. Your attitude determines your altitude. I love that, man. Polar Bear Finance, best project on AVAX. It could be. It could be. I believe a better life is possible. You're awesome. You're awesome. Someone wanted to go over OGN as well. Let's go over OGN. I remember that at the beginning. I missed it. So Origin Protocol, it pumped hard as we talked about with big volume. Look at that. Some of the biggest volume it's ever had in its life. Look at that. Huge pump on the daily there. OGN. Oh, goodness. Wow. And look, we kind of had it in this pennant. Looks like I had drawn a head and shoulder here or something. What am I? Looks like I had drawn an inverted. Maybe I was on the small time frame here. Let me see this. We were talking about getting into OGN right here. Look. Back when it was 35 cents and it pumped all the way up to 48 cents. OGN, Origin Protocol for the win, man. Bang, 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 bang. I'm trying to look at what I was saying there. I look like I was on the 1 minute. Usually I'm not on, but it looks like I was here. I got to zoom in so crazy. Wasting my time, actually, to get there. Funny, I had this channel inverted. It did break up, came back down, then rode the top of that trend, and then boom, it was gone. But we looked at this channel here for OGN, banged out on them after it retested the top trend line, and it was gone. That's crazy. Andre Rojas, how long did it take to make it in the game? About 4.5 years for me, man. Bookmap. Let's take a look at Bookmap real quick. Shout out to the beautiful people over at Bookmap. Right now, we're going to see where the liquidity lies, what they're doing, what they're playing games with. So now they've stacked some orders at 39.4. And now they're pushing. When they stack the order and they start pressing them down, they want to send us down. But then they set it up too. They're going to get us tight. Just trying to tighten the price up here. I can't believe what they just did, though. I cannot believe it. So they had us here. We hit this high. And then they market making us down. Boom, boom, boom. And they kept pushing the liquidity down. And they wanted to fill back here at 38,750. They have huge orders here, though. Look at that. Huge order at 38,750. A huge order. Like 94 Bitcoins time. Like 280 Bitcoins right here. This is where they want to load up. You can see it. They're loading up right here. I like to bring it back to 41.5 again. Craziness. He should dress up as a pineal gland and squeeze lemons on himself all episode. So weird, man. Shout out to Michael Dandy. Near USDT, please. Send in a super chat, please. Don't ask for please. Send in a super chat. Your please is a super chat. Check Solana, please. Send in a super chat. You know? Gilded is the super chat. That's just all he said. Gilded. I know. I don't know what it is. Shout out to the beautiful people at Bookmap. What am I doing right here? I'm seeing the liquidity on the order book. Seeing where all the whales are adding to prices, where they want to buy, where they want to sell, and showing their actual buy and sells happening live in real time. If you like what you're seeing here, use the links to Bookmap in the description of the video below. You're going to have access to a discount and to, to promotions that you wouldn't get anywhere else, only through me and the Crypto Lifer link. So hit those links, find out what Bookmap's all about if you're excited about getting liquidity and adding more tools to the trade. Just came by to say, F my life, I missed my buy by 0004. Hope the rest of you made some cash. You missed your buy on what? On 004. Don't worry, man. Don't say F my life. Always be positive, man. It's just a trade. You're still alive. Everything's going to be all right. You don't have to check it, but what do you think about Bitcoin pairs? Always thought about trying to trade them. I talk about them all the time. I teach how to trade them. If you're in my trading group, I'm going to go over them all the time. I've given multiple Bitcoin pairs in the last few days. We liked Waves BTC recently. Waves BTC was a Bitcoin pair that I recently traded. And we liked. Why? Because it was highly likely to pump to the upside. Let's take a look at Wave BTC. Hit auto. Square us away here. Waves BTC. And look, had you put one Bitcoin in here into the trade, it would have made you 16%. 1.16 Bitcoin. It would have made you 16%, 10% on your Bitcoin, which ain't bad. It's almost about $4,000 in a move, right? You could send $2 super chat. That could potentially make you a $200. Just saying. Produce the beats. My man, I appreciate you saying that, man. You don't have to check it. What do you think about Bitcoin pairs? So we love Bitcoin pairs. killed Alpine BTC. Oh, my man. My man was all over this. Stack McChange, I think his best call of 2022. Am I wrong? And honestly, now that you mention it, it's flagging out, my friend. This may be the next move to the upside. Look at it. Alpine just doing damage against Bitcoin. This thing may pump tonight. I think you just freaking hit it on the head, man. Alpine BTC may be the trade of the night. When Bitcoin struggles, BTC pairs are what I like to trade. So whenever I see ups and downs in the market, could be a descending triangle a little bit. No, I like what I'm seeing. 200-day moving average moving through the bottom of the pattern. 4 hour is also oversold. This thing can move, guys and girls, ladies and gents. I see Alpine for more. I really do. I see Alpine for more, possibly 60% gains coming. High risk, high reward. Gonna have to use this chop right here for some support and resistance. Stop losses somewhere in these zones. Just put stops below. Bang, bang, bang. I mean, this thing could go. Thank God you mentioned it, my friend. This thing looks like it could get legs. Shout out to my man, Stack McChange. One of my brothers from another mother. Love you, Stack. Thank you for everything you do for me and the group. Keep me level-headed. Your feedback's amazing. Love when you're talking to everyone else. Love when I just hear a conversation between you and Danny. I kind of like spy on y'all. I just love the people I put together. I love watching you interact. Waves holds. Waves holds up to Bitcoin like a boss, though. It also pumps a lot when Bitcoin dumps. I don't know about that, but it did hold. It held very nicely. Bearish engulfing candle on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, that's a bearish engulfing candle for sure. Absolutely insane what just happened. Absolutely insane. So Alpine BTC on the radar for the night. It's on Binance. I think you can also get it on Bolsadex. And a lot of the Binance clouds. Alpine BTC. Interesting. The group could also be... This reminds me of The Firm. Or like, Nas right here. Like, starts off like, Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. I'm about to sign out for the night. It's 12 a.m. I got to get some rest. Get ready for the live stream tomorrow. I did everything I could for everybody on the live in the trading group. I need to pass out. I need to give myself some time. I need to relax. I worked so hard today. I'm telling you right now, I worked like 17 hours today. I've been busting my butt. I did a beginner's trading course for 2.5 hours. I did a live stream for 2 hours at the beginning of the day. I then picked up my daughter from school. Freaking helped out my wife. I then did 2 videos for my trading courses and stuff like that. I then spent so much time in the room searching for coins. And then I live streamed again. That was my entire day. You guys were with me the entire day. I've been up since 7 a.m. It's now 12 a.m. We've been grinding 17 hours. Banging on them. Banging on them. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for being here. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming into the live stream. Thank you for being a part of the live. And I'll see you guys on the next live. Bang, bang, bang. Stay strong. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the back though. Look at the back. You ain't messing with this back. My grandfather was a bricklayer. My dad was an iron worker. It was built into me to carry bricks, baby. Brick by brick by brick by brick by brick. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you. I love you all. I'll see you tomorrow morning on the next live stream. Peace out. I love you. Thank you for everything. I can't believe what they just did to us, though. Insanity. insanity. Let me look at the chat before I jump on out of here. Go to bed. I know, right? Thank you. Built like a tank. Shout out to Greg Nowak. Ain't nothing messing with that back, yo. Not in my alleyway. I got your back. Good night. I'll see you all in the next live. Be safe. Thank you for everything. I love you all. God bless each and every one of you. We're going to make it through no matter what. No matter what they do to us. We're going to make it through. I love y'all. Thank you. Thank you. Crypto is life. Peace.